So now that I've got all my veggies prepped and ready to go, we've got my eggplant, 2 carrots, 1 sweet potato, and half of an onion. This should serve 2 to 3 people. I use it Instapot mini, but if you have a larger one, you can make a larger batch. And we are going to start by turning it on to the saute mode. And we're going to put in our onions and some spices. So in goes a little bit of olive oil. And our onions. And this is just a roast, so I keep mine really chunky. Next we're going to do some spices. There's garlic powder, some turmeric, a little bit of cinnamon, which is fabulous with eggplant and tomatoes and savory dishes. And this is a little bit of cumin. Now we're going to add in our carrots. Our sweet potatoes. And our eggplant. Now you want to be careful that you don't overfill it. There we go. And we are going to add in some salt and pepper. So then we're going to add a little bit of water, maybe half a cup. And then we are going to switch it from saute mode into pressure cooker. And we're going to adjust it down to 4 minutes and put the lid on. And once the lid on, we're going to make sure that we're in the sealed mode and that everything is good to go. And our little metal thing went down, which means it is now safe to open and we are no longer locked. And let's set our lid on the side. You can see it's still boiling. And we're going to check our eggplant. It is quite soft. So, and then we will just dig down a little and check sweet potato, which is very tender, and carrot, which is also very tender. So it is all ready to go and smelling delicious, and we're going to portion it out. So here we are all portioned out. We've got our carrots, onions, and eggplant, which are roasted and soft and tender and delicious. You could top this with pasta sauce or a pre-made curry sauce or homemade curry sauce, whatever you would like, and you can serve it with rice, pasta, potatoes, quinoa, any sort of couscous, whatever you want to serve with it. And I have enough for lunch if I add my rice, and a lunch or dinner if I add rice or salad there. So as always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe.